Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and you haven't seen this face before, hi, my name is Sana and today I'm gonna be doing a haul video. Yes, so I'm gonna be reviewing Street Style store today and I have all the things over here. So I bought the 5 in 9.99 offer thing and I don't think it's available now when I'll be uploading this video. So yes, without any further ado, let's straight away go on to the video. So one thing I want to mention is that I only have 4 things with me. Something happened with my address, some problem, so the 5th item wasn't delivered to me and I kind of cancelled it then because it's already winters now and I don't need it. So I have a voucher of 210 rupees, so I'll order something in winters when they have winter stuff over there, so I'll order through that. So right now I only have 4 things, so I'm gonna show you that. Also, one thing mentioned, I am a little sideways because I'm gonna put the video of me trying over here. So yes, the first thing that I got is this black front tie-up thing. I don't know how to show this in this video, but I'm sure you're gonna see it over here. So there's this wrap-up thing. You gotta tie it on the side of this. It has a little frilly details in the end and puff up sleeves, and it is transparent as you can see. So I'm gonna wear something underneath this. I have already worn this and I wore it with a bodysuit underneath and I really like this. I was surprised by the quality of this. I wasn't expecting a good quality. I thought this is gonna be itchy, but no, not at all. It's a really good quality and I got this for 210 rupees. So everything is for 210 rupees each. Actually it has to be 200 rupees according to the 5 for 9.99, but then GST and all that, they add up. So everything was 210 rupees each. Yes. So the second thing is this blue top. It has a bow in the front and it has the same tie-up thing like that on the side ways, and this doesn't fit me properly. It is a little like tight on me as I ordered an extra small and I want a small, but they don't have any sizes available in this, so I'm gonna return this and get a voucher again. So I'm gonna buy winter stuff from these things. One thing I don't like about Street Style store is that they don't refund or they don't let you exchange one item with another item. You can only exchange different size but not different products, so that is something I don't like about it. And because I didn't like this top that much on me, otherwise it's a good top, no doubt. The quality is good, it is really soft, no problem with the product, but I don't like it on myself, so that was the issue. So yes, but otherwise I like the quality. Everything that I got surprisingly is of good quality. I've seen videos from different people and they always complain about the quality of the product, but it didn't happen with me, so I'm pretty happy. Good investment. The third thing is a plain t-shirt and this is what it is. It says, "Can I bring my dog?" which is me every time I wish I could take my dog everywhere with me. So yes, I only bought this because of the dog thing. Every possible thing I could buy which is related to a dog, I would and I do. So yes, pretty good, and the material is also really soft, like very soft material. I am surprised. And one thing about this, I ordered large XL size, which I wanted to be very baggy on me, but it is not baggy on me. And if you are bigger than me, like my arms, if you want this top, don't buy this. If you're bigger than me, my arms are like very small and this is quite tight on me, the arms. And let me mention, I have mentioned it, this is large and XL. See, this is large to XL. You will see the you must have seen the fitting on me, so I would recommend you to not buy this if you are bigger than me, because yes, that was it. I don't even think this is available now, or I'll check it. If it is available, I'll keep the link in the description box. If there's no link in the description box, then it wasn't available. So yes, that was the third thing. And the material is cotton, by the way, so it is really soft. And yes, this is not a tattoo. I my mom was putting on mehendi on Karwa Chauth, so I also made this little thing for myself. Yes. Dog person. So coming on to the last thing, and probably my favorite out of all the things that I bought, is this set for 210 rupees. Yes. Which is pretty shocking, and the material is also like good. I can wear it. So this is the top. I have seen people wearing such kind of sets a lot, like matching sets, matching front and bottom, top and bottom, I mean. Yeah, so it is a basic, not basic, it has polka dots, white and pink polka dots with a button up shirt, and it is like a cropped shirt, yeah, like, yeah, cropped shirt. You'll see the length on me. So that was the top part, and the bottom is this very cute skirt, which is like very big on me, as you can see. I'm gonna get it altered. It has two slits in the front. Yeah, those slits. Yeah, so these are that is pretty cute. It also has a zip on the side, which is like a good thing, I think. So yes, no issues. One more thing that I don't like about this Triple S is that they don't give size options for top and bottom separately. You just have to buy one size for all. But what about people who are not gifted on the upper half but are gifted on the lower half? So yes, that was the problem. So I wanted a baggy upper half, so I had to go for a baggy skirt, which is why this is very loose on me. So I don't know, but yes, I'll get it ordered. That would be fixable, but otherwise I like it a lot, and I can't wear it because of this winter season now, but I'll wear it with something. I'll pair it with something. I'll style it. I keep a picture of the fifth thing that I ordered, but it didn't came to me and I cancelled it. So yes, you can see it. It was a basic t-shirt, and I'm sure the quality would have been great with that also, because my other t-shirt came in a good quality. So review time. I liked everything, which is like very shocking for me, and I think for you also. My friend saw this black, the first thing that I showed, she saw that and she asked me from where I got this, and I said Triple S, and her reaction was like, वहाँ पे ऐसी क्वालिटी मिल जाती है. Which was shocking for me also. So yes, shocking, but I don't know, people should read their description, like they write the material they are using, so you'll get what you'll see. So yes, I haven't ordered much clothes from Triple S. Like, no, I haven't ordered clothes from Triple S ever. I only ordered boots from there, so this is my first time ordering clothes, and I'm pretty much happy. I'll buy more. So yes, otherwise the quality of the products are good. I saw all the material that was written in the description for these products, and I'm getting what they are saying. So yes, I am pretty much happy with what I got. I can't wait to style these things. I am waiting for summers to come back again. I'll style it in winter somehow. I'll try. Anyways, I'll be at home only, so nowhere else to go. I can wear it for my shoots. That is it. So yes, that was the video today. Also, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot for me. I'm a beginner. I would really appreciate if you could subscribe and help me grow. So yes, that was it for today's video. I will see you in the next one.